I knew that guy. My boy Jay. Oh, there he is. You need gas?
I was like, hey, I wonder if that's him. Get out of here.
Yeah. What's going on, man?
How you been?
Good. How you doing? I know. Well, alright, man.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go to the mall. I need to buy headphones. So I'm making a video on it. I'll put you in the video.
Headphones.
Like AirPods.
So I picked up the Amazon ones. That's why I just said that thing to the robot. I love them because I can just play a playlist and it'll play. I'll say drop in at the house. It's a bitch with this, like from top top, but
yeah, yeah.
It's on my full face with it closed. Which I usually it has the Bluetooth on it already.
Yeah.
If I use these instead, I can just do that. Be like, yeah, play this, play that, call the house and the Airpod and stuff.
I'm gonna put you in the video.
Huh?
I'm gonna put you in the video.
You gotta do a bike swap.
Yeah, we have to.
So how long does one of those usually take? How long do you usually How long does it usually take you to do one of those?
Like a video?
Yeah, like a little bike swap, ride around that day, whatever.
3 hours. Yeah. Or 2 hours. Yeah. Yeah, let's do it. Alright? Alright. Yes, sir. Let's get this going. Alright, my brakes are warmed up. So you too. We're going to the mall. I gotta buy some headphones because my headphones broke. So since my headphones broke, we gotta buy new ones. All right. Then we're gonna have fun when we go there. Why not? It doesn't say don't turn on red, right? No. Hopefully I don't get pulled over. My cops are on here now. Mad annoying. I need to get a new helmet too, man, because I can't put these visor up. So I'd be hella hot in this situation. Mad annoying. I tried to record a video. When was it? I tried to record a video on Sunday and the footage came out corrupted. So that was pretty disappointing. That annoyed me. We're hopping on the highway. Oh man, I missed my bike. I haven't rode it in so long. Perfect right now. I need to check my tires, so I haven't checked my tires. I'm an idiot. But we're going on a trip on a favorite rocket ship. We're going to the right. No lie, I'm gonna see if I can make that into like an outro. We actually got funny. I need to start rapping. Make my own outro. I'll officially have how many miles on this thing? 3,600 miles. Hold on, I'm going straight. I got 3,700 miles. On this thing. I know where I'm going. I'll have to have that on. I know where I'm going. People love to slow down here like that. In one of my videos, I had to dodge a car here. I think I forgot the name of the video, but if I remember, I'll put the picture up. I probably won't remember though. It was a long time ago. I tried to record a video, like I was saying. I tried to record a video on Sunday, man, but the footage got corrupted. Then my brother's footage got corrupted, so I couldn't even use that footage. I haven't been able to ride because I've been working, and then rain, so I haven't been able to post anything. Mad annoying. Bumpy ass road. It's a bumpy ass road. That's a nice road over there to do a wheelie on. There be cops around here, so I don't think I'm gonna do nothing stupid. There be hella cops around here, ain't there? You never see them until you do. And then you get your ticket route. Almost there. I haven't been to that level 99 over there. I don't know if you guys see that sign. It's all the way on the top left. Oh, up there. Level 99. I think we're going to the roof with it. I think we might be taking it to the roof with it. Oh, should I go by him? Nah, I should just catch you right there. I could go by him on the right, but it looks like mad bumpy. Be realistic. I really thought I was gonna pay for that. Oh, I know my bike sounds crazy in here. I can't wait to watch this back. I know this thing sounds stupid. Well, I could probably take a thumbnail up here too. I'll take it when I leave. Oh, this is the entrance. Oh, okay. See, I didn't even know that. I didn't even know that. So we here. Level 99's entrance right there. You gotta pull up. I've never been to this one. Usually fun. Alright, so I'm gonna go get this headphones. Then I'll come back. I'll bring the bike over there, take a thumbnail, and then see what goes after that. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'll be back. Alright, so let me take this off my mouth. We got the AirPods. We are gonna unbox them right away, but we're gonna go over here where we're taking the thumbnail. That's where the unboxing is going to happen. We're gonna take the thumbnail right here. Why not? Why not? Different spot. Alright. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put this here. Put this here. Then I'm gonna grab the box and I'm gonna put it. Let me see if people can spot it in the thumbnail. Put it right there. we're gonna do one of these. Do I want another angle? No. That's cool. Just one try. And then let's do the unboxing. Why am I unboxing it here, you may ask? Well, it's because I use these to ride. Because I use these to ride. Put these in my pocket. I want a letter. Maybe I'm a good citizen. I don't want to go deaf. So since I don't want to go deaf, I have to use these. Just need the headphones. Thank you very much. Hopefully they have battery life. Let me close them and then open them. Here we go. Connect. Boom. That's it. Ubers. So basically what I do is I put these on and I put noise cancellation on, and that blocks all the extra noise that you don't want to hear from your bike that makes you go deaf. And they're not that uncomfortable to me. I'm used to them. So let me put them on. Give me 1 second. Boom. AirPods are in. Voice cancellation is on. We're recording. Yep, look at that. Boom. They came with a little bit of battery, so what I'm gonna do is just get out of here. We're gonna enjoy a little nice ride back with headphones in my ears. That ride earlier was so loud. This bike was stupid loud. Yep, let's do it. Another thing too about coming here with a motorcycle is when the mama said I was gonna pay for the thing to get in here. That is hilarious. But I know this bike is so loud. It's really out of my ear. Who am I going with? Look. Thank you very, very much. Gotta go work out today. I gotta go eat something so then I can go work out. Yeah, it feels way better riding with my AirPods in, bro. On the AirPods, shit's crazy. I need my voice cancellation, bro. I cannot not be without that one, bro. Fuck that. Bikes and no earbuds. I need some type of nose block.